Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean. Today we are going to be discussing, due to a high demand, how to pass Blueprint Meta certification, and see you in a bit. So in order to pass the exam, by the way, I will leave all the links in the description so that you can go and, step by step to pass the exam. First, go to facebook.com/business/learn/certification, and then we'll find your certification, because there are a lot of certifications for developers, for media buyers, media planners, digital associates. So you need to find your perfect certification. Then you really need to sit. That's the first step. Sit the exam. You need to do this first. After the exam, you will receive, score, like breakdown of your assessment, and you will see the weakest spots and your strengths, pretty much. See what topics are your weakest spots and go and learn them in the Blueprint certification course. That's what I do, because, if you start learning everything from scratch, like all the lessons in the Blueprint certification course, there are so many, so you can pretty much sometimes get lost in them. So that's why I really recommend you to go and first see your weakest spots, and then focus on them. The second part of the whole thing is go and get my preparation guide. It's absolutely free, and you can get it in the description below. There's a description link below. Another thing what you definitely need to do in order to pass the exam is surround yourself with like-minded people. Like everything else in life and business, go and join our group or some other group of people who are trying to pass this exam, and really focus on this. And at the end of this video, I'll definitely answer the question, if does it worth passing the exam. So stay until the end of this video. So the exam is 120 minutes. It's held by Pearson, and they kind of block your screen, and you cannot use anything else. They ask you to turn your device, like your laptop, around so that they can see if you're not cheating, pretty much. Another thing is you need to pass the exam with 700 points or 80%. It's a pass or fail exam. And yeah, so that's pretty much in a nutshell. The exams cost currently $70, 70. And I really believe that you're gonna pass it if you're surrounding yourself with people that are like-minded. If you choose the right exam for you, if you first go and see your weakest spots and then focus on them, if you study a lot, of course, you really need to study those example exams. The Facebook platform become 100% pass, right? Because this is how I did it, and I'm 100% that everybody can do it. Yes, I do own a digital marketing agency. Yes, I've done this. I've been in digital marketing for the past 11 years. But Facebook, there's a tricky questions. It's a different animal, right? So let's break this down. First topic, exam. Then test your skills. After that, focus on your weakest spots. Fourth is get my guide or somebody else's. Mine, I will leave it down in the description. Focus groups that are doing so. So people who are, surround yourself with people who are trying to pass this exam. Also get into groups that are all about Facebook. So if you do those stuff, I'm 100% sure that you're gonna pass this exam. I cannot guarantee this, right? But I'm 100% sure that you can pass this exam. And I think I mentioned a lot of stuff about this exam and how to pass it, all the information about it, and I will leave it with this. But I just wanted to answer the question, so should you pass this exam, and does it worth? I think yes. I'll definitely hire somebody who has this exam rather than somebody else who doesn't. If I have to scale them, like if there are two persons, they have exactly the same skills, I'll definitely hire the person who has this exam, and I think most owners will do that. So definitely go and get this exam, and see you on the other side of success.